Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday, like 9 minutes before jobs market webcast. Okay, the Bears put it together yesterday. It was actually a really great day of trading. If you look at Globex all the way through to the close, it was a fantastic long into Globex. They ran that up into the open. They kind of chopped around. We spent most of the day saying we wanted to be long above 5,300, short below 5,300. And when 5,300 finally converted, I mean, I don't think anybody, I know I didn't expect it was going to be all that, but it turned out to be the biggest short we've done all year. Our runners came off at 90 handles. So, look, the Bears have actually done some technical damage here. They've done what I have said they've had to do for a long time, and today is going to be super important. So you got jobs in 8 minutes, right? That's a catalyst. They got to survive that. You see the 20-day, you see this. It had gone support like it had so many other times. But 9-day holds, you get the overreaction, they break it, they come back through and they close below, and you make a lower low, okay? The low is 92.5, 91.5. I mean, you have a marginal lower low from last night. They went down and they filled the gap from when it opened at 6 p.m. The low from March 15th is 51.67. If they continue to head down, that's the next, that's kind of the next place. Hourly chart real fast. You can see what they did there. One sec. Here's your weekly pivot, 52.96. Here's where they opened it. The little marginal higher high, they couldn't hold it there around noontime. And then with 5,300 converting back through weekly pivot, that was where, if you were going to be there, you had to be there at that point. And like I said, I don't think anybody expected this, but there it was. They've wound it back a little bit, right up into the hourly mid-band as we do jobs. So if you really want to see the Bears execute today, then you need to smack it down, take out 91.5, extend down into 77, and just make this these are hourly candles. So there's been very little volatility overnight. Turn this into the bear flag that the Bears have wanted to have for so long. If it goes the other way, if everybody's getting ahead of themselves, as shorts and bears tend to do, absolute drop dead, unacceptable. Don't lose 52.50. That is daily mid-band. That is monthly pivot. Don't lose 52.50 on a closing basis today. At least have the argument that it's making a lower high going into next week. Don't start fucking around with the 9-day and the weekly pivot and all this other stuff. Hold it down here, and you've got a good chance, Bears, next week that you can start to progress down towards that lower band. All right. Fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.